A lot can be achieved and expressed through music. For many, music is their way of life, which has given them an identity in the society. In our Successful Fijian segment, we share the story of Shraddha Das, who has spent more than 30 years teaching classical Indian music in various schools across Fiji. Catherine Krishna has more.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Shraddha Das was born in Madhya Pradesh, India and came to Fiji in 1972.
I started music from childhood. When I was at the age of 4, I started learning, and I was dancing using Kathak dance systems and also singing. But in the beginning my parents, they sent me to learn music. So after my completing all that, and then I'm here in Fiji since last 47 years, and I'm serving Fiji through music and also Hindi language.
Soon after moving to Fiji, she saw there was a need to teach classical Hindi music to the Indian diaspora and started her humble journey by teaching in high schools.
I was trained in Indian classical music, but when I came here, I came to know that no, I can't teach here classical music. So then it's better me to give them basic knowledge of each music, and then I was teaching them songs in different languages.
She says coming to Fiji was a good decision for her as she was able to share her knowledge with others.
I have taught here in this school like 30 years, more than 30 years. And most of my subjects were music, Hindi and also science subjects.
The journey has not been easy as she had to balance between her family time and practice each day.
After looking after the family, I did not get time because going to school. But with the grace of God, He really helped me to keeping my voice up to date and my whatever knowledge I had, and then I'm trying to be. So that is the biggest achievement in my life, is that I did not give up.
Das is encouraging local musicians to have patience and spend more time practicing to sharpen their talents.
Whoever wants to be in music should have patience, lot of dedication and lot of practice for that. Because while my teaching, I have found this. When the parents, they see that children are learning, and during 2-3 months, they want their child to go on the stage and start performing. It is my advice for them that they should get proper training, at least minimum 2 to 5 years proper training.
She has also produced a number of songs which are played on many Hindi radio stations in Fiji. Das is encouraging females to take pride in their work and never let go of their dreams. Catherine Krishna, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.